Hello friends, welcome to RinkusRasoi. Today I am going to show you how you can make Thai green curry paste at your home. It's very versatile recipe and you can use it in a lot of different Thai recipes. So let me show you how we can make Thai green curry paste.
So first I am taking lemongrass. So this is the whole lemongrass. I am going to cut it into the half. So here I am just going to cut it from here. And I'm going to use this part. This part I'm not going to discard it, but I'm going to use it into the soup. So when you are making soup, use this lower part, and for the curry, you always use this part. So I'm just going to remove the roots and then remove 1 or 2 layers from the top. And now I'm going to cut into the thin slice. So I took total 3 bunches. So this is almost half cup. So I'm just putting it in the side. Now I'm taking galangal. Galangal is a Thai ginger. If you cannot find the galangal, you can use regular ginger as well. But this is a little bit mild flavor. So I'm just going to cut the galangal. Just roughly chopped it. And then I'm going to make a small pieces. This will be almost like 2 tablespoons of galangal. So I'm just going to keep this on the side as well. Now I'm taking cilantro stems. This is like 1 bunch of cilantro. I just cut the stems and I keep little bit of leaves to give us very nice color. So I'm just taking cilantro stem. If you find the cilantro roots, you can take cilantro root as well. But I did not find the cilantro roots, so I'm just taking stems. Then half cup of shallots. This is small onions. 8 to 10 garlic cloves. Lime peels. I took 5 or 6 strands of lime peels. Then I am taking 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds, 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds, and then I am going to take 8 to 10 green chilies. This is Thai green chili. This is the spicy one. Quantity of the green chilies, it depends upon your taste. If you like spicy, you can add a little bit more green chili. So I am taking green chili as well. So now I am going to crush everything into the mixture jar. So while crushing, I am also going to add half tablespoon of white pepper powder and 2 tablespoons of salt. I am using pink Himalayan salt, but if you want, you can also use regular salt as well. So let's start making our paste. So here in this mixture jar, first I am going to add lemongrass. Then I am adding shallots, galangal, garlic, lime peels, green chili, cilantro stems, coriander seeds, cumin seeds, white pepper powder, and salt. Now I'm going to add a little bit of water and I'm going to make a paste out of it. So here my green curry paste is ready. I add almost like 1 tablespoon of cilantro leaves just for the color. So now I'm going to take this out into the bowl. So here my Thai green curry paste is ready. You can use it in a lot of different recipes. Check my YouTube videos for a different recipe made out of this paste. Try this at your home and let me know your outcome, and I will see you with the next episode of RinkusRasoi. Till then, happy cooking!